I think we are live. Am I audible? जितने भी जने ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं एक बार कोई बता सकता है क्या कि मैं ऑडिबल हूं क्या? एक बार थम्स अप भेज दीजिए अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं ऑडिबल हूं. हाय गाइस, हाय पवन, हाय आदित्य, एवरीबॉडी इज ज्वाइनिंग. हेलो हेलो एवरीवन. काफी मजा आने वाला है. जो भी आज जुड़ रहे हैं उनको सबसे पहले तो नमस्कार, स्वागत आपका माई टीम 11 इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पे. जैसे कि हमने आपको प्रॉमिस करा था कि लीग स्टेज में एक बार वापस आपसे जुड़ेंगे. लीग स्टेज खत्म हो चुका है, प्ले ऑफ्स में एक बार आपसे वापस जुड़ेंगे. एक बड़ा मैच आज है, एक इतना बड़ा मैच. हैदराबाद बनाम दिल्ली. जो जीता वो खेलेगा मुंबई से 10 तारीख को दुबई के अंदर, और जो हारा उसको करानी पड़ेगी घर की टिकट. काफी मजा आने वाला है. डिस्कस करेंगे सारी चीजें. थोड़ी सी देर में जुड़ने वाले हैं हम सुहेल से. जिनको नहीं पता है मैं बता देता हूं, सुहेल जो है वो स्टार स्पोर्ट्स के साथ में है और एक बहुत बड़े प्रेजेंटर हैं, स्पोर्ट्स प्रेजेंटर. काफी अच्छा एनालिसिस करते हैं और उनसे जानेंगे कि क्या रहनी चाहिए आज के मैच की फैंटेसी टीम, क्या रहने वाला है आज का कॉन्टेस्ट, कौन सी टीम जीत सकती है, और ढेर सारी बातें करने वाले हैं. आपके क्वेश्चंस हम जरूर लेंगे, तो आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपने क्वेश्चंस जरूर भेजें. सारे क्वेश्चंस आई विल ट्राई टू टेक, बेस्ट वंस आई विल ट्राई टू टेक. एंड जब तक वो हमें ज्वाइन करते हैं तब तक एक फन एक्टिविटी करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, एक बड़ा मैच, और क्योंकि बड़ा मैच है तो क्यों ना सुहेल की रिक्वेस्ट आ गई है. सो लेट मी जस्ट ऐड हिम. Hey! Hi, Suhail.
Hi, hi. How's it going?
All well, all well. You tell me what's up.
Really good, really good. Good to be here in the bubble. I can give you a little view of the city of Bombay in the background. So we're here in our bio bubble. It's a secure bio bubble, and that's how we've had it the last 2 months. So it's been great fun. But at the same time, it's been tough to be away from family. But we're doing it so that we can bring this fantastic T20 league to everyone at home.
Absolutely. And let me tell you one thing. You guys are doing a phenomenal job because everybody of us
Thank you.
sitting at home, we're just enjoying it. Whether it's a pre-show, mid-show, post-show, during the game, it's just lovely to watch. And Suhail, good to join you. I've always seen you on the television. Now speaking to you one-on-one. So I'll
Awesome,
start
thanks.
with this. I'll start with this. Two crunch games remaining in Indian T20 league. How's the Josh?
The Josh is high, man. Josh is really, really high. I mean, we can't believe it's come to this. And as you can see, my voice is now going because it's been, 2 months of unbelievable matches. I mean, we've had super overs, we've had double super overs, first time in history. Nothing like it. So I think at the end of the day, we've got, I would say, one surprise. I think Sunrisers, everyone thought will be in the top four. But given the initial run of form, we didn't think Hyderabad would be there at the contending end. But amazing. What a run from them to win 4 games on the trot, to come through the way they did. They're a great side. Can't wait, man. The Josh is damn high. Can't wait to get into the studio again today as well.
Same here, brother. The Josh is very high. Can we simply term it one of the greatest tournaments ever? Because nobody would have thought that something of this sort will happen. Kolkata was in 8th position when they were playing against Rajasthan, and they jumped to the 4th position. Unfortunately, they were not able to make it to the playoffs. But what a tournament this has been.
What a tournament. I mean, I think we can say it's the best IPL. In the history of, T20 leagues, I think this is the best league season we've seen. Unbelievable. I mean, as you said, right? We saw Rajasthan suddenly make a run for it. Kings 11 made a run for it, winning 5 games in a row. We had other teams that were in contention. Suddenly things changed with Bangalore and Delhi losing games, and suddenly we thought, oh man, they might be out of the race. So suddenly it was such a tight race for that top 4, and even then it's about peaking at the right time. You talk about teams that win at the correct time, and Sunrisers have done that. Hyderabad have won at the correct time. They've got wins in the business end of the tournament, and that's actually what's the most important, because that's the form that they're carrying into today's big match.
What do you think, Suhail? Is there something different with Australians? Every time there's a crunch situation and they are at their best.
They really are, yeah. I mean, I think it's the ability to play big games, right? Pressure. अगर pressure में खेल सकते हैं तो you can win most games, and you need a cool head under pressure. पिछले मैच अगर देखेंगे फिर भी जेसन होल्डर और केन विलियमसन ने जो किया है, you can see from that it's two leaders of countries. They've led New Zealand, they've led West Indies, and they know how to win games from pressure situations. And those are the guys that you need in crunch situations. Guys like David Warner who know how to captain teams as well. You look at the top sides, Ricky Ponting and what he's done with Delhi Capitals. Unbelievable, yeah, unbelievable. They do know how to handle pressure.
सुहेल, आज चार जो टीम है जो प्लेऑफ्स में गई थी, बैंगलोर अनफॉर्चुनेटली बाहर हो गया, उनकी बात करेंगे, पर मैं पहले आपसे जानना चाहूंगा कोई ऐसी चीज है जो आपने नहीं करी हो? प्रेजेंटर भी हो आप, खेल भी चुके हो थोड़ा बहुत, मूवी में भी आ चुके हो कॉलीवुड में, तो ऐसी कोई चीज है जो रह गई हो?
अभी तक तो पॉसिबली जो मेरा करियर था जो एक्सटेंड करना था वो नहीं किया ड्यू टू इंजरी, तो वो एक छोटा रिग्रेट है, पर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस बहुत तो किया है एंड होपफुली बहुत तो करना है अभी तक भी, तो there's more to do. I think this is just the start of a long journey, पर look, it's been fantastic. और अगर हम बायोबबल के बारे में हम कहें तो what an experience it's been here to have all the guys that we hang out with and we know so well, and guys like Brett and Brian and Scotty Cyrus and Graham Swan and these guys, to have them around and have them as neighbors. You can probably hear me next door, and have them here and have a blast with them while doing the job that we love, talking about sport. It doesn't get better than that. So, no, really feel blessed to do what I do. And thankfully, being able to bring all of this to you guys, to everyone at home sitting and watching and who can't be there at the stadiums. Hopefully they're feeling a bit of the energy come from us.
Absolutely. The energy, the engagement that you guys are able to bring, let me tell you, it's very difficult at the start of it. If I go 13, 14 years back, it was very difficult to watch those previous shows. But now, the way you guys are building it up, it's just phenomenal to watch. And not only you guys, all the crew, director, and everybody who is involved.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thanks, man. It's been mad. It's been crazy to see what these guys have done to put it together. As you said, it's not just us. It's the guys behind the scenes that have to leave their families, have to do their work every day, who have to be in this bubble together. We've not stepped out of our rooms or in our hotel for 2 months. And I think it's so much like it. It's as someone just said, there's nothing like it if you love what you do, and we're lucky to say that we love what we do and we do what we love. So it's a big blessing to be able to do that. But look, today is a huge game. 2 games left. I think all of us are just pumped up and waiting to go. So it's going to be huge.
Absolutely. चलो पहले बात करते हैं हैदराबाद की, और हैदराबाद की बात कर रहे हैं तो डेविड वार्नर से आज काफी उम्मीदें रहने वाली है। रिद्धिमान साहा आज खेलेंगे या नहीं खेलेंगे, उस पर भी एक बड़ा सवाल। अगर रिद्धिमान साहा नहीं खेलते हैं तो इज श्रीवत्स गोस्वामी द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर द ओपनिंग स्लॉट? माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू।
बैलेंस के लिए यू वुड थिंक सो, क्योंकि अगर आप देखेंगे अगर जॉनी बेस्टो वापस आके खेलेंगे तो किसको छोड़ेंगे? जेसन होल्डर को तो ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते हैं, केन विलियमसन को ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते हैं, यू कांट ड्रॉप डेविड वार्नर, तो किसको नहीं खिलाएंगे? सो दैट्स द बिग क्वेश्चन। ऑब्वियसली राशिद खान को भी खेलना ही पड़ेगा, तो दैट्स द बिग क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू यू हैव बैलेंस इन द साइड, राइट? आई थिंक इफ यू ड्रॉप श्रीवत्स, who actually is a fantastic player, he's a really good keeper. You can't see too many wicketkeepers keeping that well to Rashid Khan. And what Shrivats does and what he's done in the past is that he's proved actually he's quite a talent. I played with him when I was at RCB in 2009 in the camps there, and he was my roommate actually. And I got a lot of respect for him, and I know what he can deliver. So you can't judge what he did in the last encounter. Shayad Saha nahi khelenge. We were hearing that it may not be great news yet. But obviously, it's still 50-50 in terms of whether Saha will play or not. But I think if they want to keep the balance of the team, Shrivats has to play. It's the only way they can keep Kane Williamson, Jason Holder, David Warner, and Rashid Khan in. How can you drop any of them? Williamson is perhaps the only one you could think of dropping, or Jason Holder. But look at the performances they put in, right? So there's no chance. So इसलिए तो बेस्ट नहीं खेल सकते हैं शायद. And I hope, as the Night Walker says, Saha will be back in action. We hope that Saha will be बैक इन एक्शन, पर डाउट तो है।
बिल्कुल डाउट तो है, और बिल्कुल सही कहा सुहेल ने भी। आप निकालो एक इसको, डेविड वार्नर है आपके कप्तान, उनको आपको खिलाना ही पड़ेगा। उसके बाद राशिद खान इतनी बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, 1 से 2 विकेट आपको निकाल के देते हैं, 20 से 25 रन 4 ओवर में दे रहे हैं, तो इतने इकोनॉमिकल बॉलर आपको उनको जरूर खिलाना पड़ेगा।
20 से 25 बहुत ज्यादा है उसके लिए, 20 से 25 ज्यादा है राशिद के लिए।
हाँ शायद 15 से 20 ही ले लेते हैं, इतनी बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी हैं। सुहेल, मैं बात करना चाहूंगा एक अंडर 19 सितारे की जिसका नाम है प्रियम गर्ग। उम्मीदें काफी थी पर इस साल उतना ज्यादा अच्छा डिलीवर करा नहीं है, मे बी अंडर प्रेशर। कहीं गलती हो गई कि मिडिल ऑर्डर में खिला रहे हैं, शायद अगर टॉप ऑर्डर में खिलाते, मनीष पांडे नंबर 4 पे आते तो शायद बेटर परफॉर्मेंसेस हो सकती थी।
हो सकते हैं, एंड लुक व्हेन यू लुक एट इट इन हाइंडसाइट तो बहुत चीज कह सकते हैं, पर अगर आप देखेंगे अब वापस हम वेयर इज योर बेस्ट बैट्समैन प्लेइंग, दैट्स द नंबर वन क्वेश्चन एनी कोच विल आस्क इज वेयर आर योर बेस्ट बैट्समैन प्लेइंग. You want your best batsman to bat at number 3. You want your best batsman to bat at the opening slot in the T20 game. क्योंकि you want your best 4 batsmen to get the most time in the middle. तो अगर देखेंगे तो you want your Kane Williamson and Manish Pandey and David Warners to be up there in the top 3. प्रियम गर्ग को opening नहीं कर सकते हैं. So you have to unfortunately bat him in that middle order. He's a real gun talent, यार. He's a fantastic talent. Obviously, as you said, problem ये है कि every time he's come in pressure में थे. And पिछले मैच भी अगर देखेंगे तो it was actually run a ball, but it was under tremendous pressure. He's batting for a place in the qualifier, batting to not get knocked out of the tournament. So he has the opportunity to bat with guys like Kane Williamson, guys like Jason Holder on the other end. तो अगर उससे वो थोड़ा प्रेशर निकालते हैं तो I think he can free his arms a bit more, play with freedom. And Sunrisers एक franchise जैसे हैं कि they give you utmost freedom, they give you a lot of support, they always back you on your performances. You know, you have guys like VVS Lakshman, you have guys like Kane in the dugout, you have such a good organization. Trevor Bayliss, जो coach है, they're all very supportive as a franchise. So I think he needs to just release that pressure, play with the freedom that we saw in the Under-19 World Cup, and then we'll see Priyam Garg be the real Priyam Garg that we expect him to be. So hopefully we still see the best out of him. क्योंकि एक मैच में जो performance किया था, that was the performance we expect from him, and that's what I think we should be able to see a bit more from.
एब्सोल्युटली। जिनको भी नहीं पता मैं उनको बता देता हूं कि चेन्नई के खिलाफ एक बढ़िया अर्धशतक मारा था प्रियम गर्ग ने और उसके बाद से उम्मीदें उनसे काफी बढ़ गई थी। उम्मीदें ऐसी रहेंगी कि वापस एक अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस निकाल के लेकर आए। अब थोड़ी सी सुहेल मैं बात करना चाहूंगा, शायद से आपकी तरफ से थोड़ी सी नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी गई है। सुहेल, आर यू एबल टू लिसन मी? एम आई ऑडिबल? सुहेल, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे? I think Suhail will be joining us back. Just a second. I think there is some issues with the network connectivity. तो हाँ, जब तक सुहेल आते हैं मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूं। हम बात कर रहे थे कि क्या करना पड़ेगा प्रियम गर्ग को। शायद he's back. No, he's not back yet. Just a second. Let me send him the request. I have sent him the request. Let's see if he accepts. Till that time मैं आप लोगों को यही बता रहा था कि प्रियम गर्ग ने एक इनिंग्स खेली थी, 50 रन मारे थे चेन्नई। हाँ, he is back. So still connectivity maybe.
No problem.
Absolutely. So सुहेल, मैं वही बात कर रहा था, सबको यही बता रहा था कि एक अर्धशतक मारा था, एक अच्छा अर्धशतक मारा था चेन्नई के अगेंस्ट, और उसी तरीके की कुछ परफॉर्मेंसेस आज भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रही होगी साइड, काफी टाइम से बिलीव कर रहे हैं। पर अब दूसरी टीम की बात करना चाहूंगा क्योंकि हम एक कमबैक की बात कर रहे हैं। मेंटल स्टेचर कितना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप खेल भी चुके हो, यू आर देयर विद सम, कितना बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। बिल्कुल ऐसा डिप्स आ गया है। अगर दिल्ली की बात करूं तो एक इतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे थे, 9 मैचेस के अंदर 7 मैच जीत चुके थे। एक बार लग रहा था शायद एक तरफा कर देंगे टूर्नामेंट, पर उसके बाद जो परफॉर्मेंस डिप चालू हुई और वो वापस चालू ही नहीं पाई। क्या लगता है आज क्या डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा कि मुंबई के अगेंस्ट फाइनल खेल पाए 10 तारीख को?
इट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, यू नो। अगर हम देखेंगे तो कैरेक्टर, हम बोलते हैं कि कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग, अगर कैरेक्टर और दिल है स्पोर्ट में तो ज्यादा टाइम खेल सकते हैं। आई थिंक दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, राइट? यू हैव टू हैव हार्ट। वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट, एंड अगर हम कोचेस से बात करेंगे, एंड यू नो आई कोच इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉर अ फ्यू इयर्स, टॉक टू प्लेयर्स, एंड वी एज प्लेयर्स इन अ ड्रेसिंग रूम, वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट व्हाट वी वांट टू शो, and the first thing we always talk about is heart. If you want to choose between a player that has heart and a player that has talent, you'll probably go with a player that has a bit more heart and will give you the fight. क्योंकि अगर T20 में देखेंगे तो you have the Mr. Consistents like Kane Williamson, your Sahas, guys like Virat who will always give you runs. पर pressure situation में you want to be the guy who's in control. और अगर bowler इतना भी off the mark जाते हैं ना, So you have to be able to put that bad ball away. That's what MS Dhoni does. That's what Virat Kohli does. That's what Kane Williamson does. That's what Jason Holder did the other day. So ये है कि under pressure, how can you stay calm? People have different ways to do it. People, get into their zone. We talk about the zone sports में. अगर sports में उस zone में नहीं जाते हैं ना at the right time, then that's when it's critical. So the best players are in the zone at the right time under pressure. And I think that's why character and playing under pressure is the most important thing. And you train for it. आज अगर देखेंगे तो when you go to a training session, अगर किसी भी टीम के पास आप जाते हैं तो you'll see the way they train is match specific. They don't train just in generic ways. They train with situations from a match. You will see Trevor Bayliss or VVS Lakshman putting Priyam Garg in the nets and saying, "Chalo, you have 14 to get from the next 4 balls. You've got long on, long off back. You'll see these situations playing out in the nets." And वैसे ही train करते हैं for a match situation, so that when you get into that situation in a match, you are ready for it mentally and physically as well.
I'm glad you mentioned Trevor and BVS because my next question is on that. How important will be Ricky Ponting, Mohammad Kaif for the next game? Because it's very important. If you see Shreyas Iyer is not performing, Shikhar Dhawan is looking a little out of touch. 3 ducks in last 4 innings for him. After those 2 consecutive centuries, he's under pressure because he's not getting that opening pair with him. Sometimes it's Ajinkya Rahane, sometimes it's Prithvi Shaw. He's also confused. Can I expect some performances from either of those? Then Prithvi Shaw is looking out of touch. Ajinkya Rahane is also looking out of touch. Rishabh Pant is consuming a lot many deliveries. How
Problems तो काफी है उसके पास. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of problems, and I think more than anything, the biggest problem is they have lost momentum at the wrong time. अगर हम tournament के कोई भी tournament के बारे में हम बात करें, तो you have to peak at the right time. We keep talking about momentum. It's a big word in sport, very important word in sport. And guys like Ricky Ponting have been there. They've won the biggest tournaments, World Cup champions, Ashes winners, so they know how to get it done. पर वो knowledge transfer करने के लिए उतना आसान नहीं है. You have to have an ability for the players to be able to respond as well. Shreyas is a fantastic young talent. Look, he's no doubt one of the next future leaders of Indian cricket in that sense. Obviously, Rishabh Pant not scoring runs has been a big disappointment for Delhi. I think that's where they needed a bit. But when you look at the way the rest of that team is shaped up, they're lacking that big match experience. That's what happened last season. They got to the playoffs, and then in the big games, they crumbled. Because in SRH, you have guys like David Warner, Kane Williamson, Jason Holder, जिसके पास experience है. और इस तरफ, you have young guys with unbelievable talent. Shimron Hetmyer, Nicholas Puran, who was there with Kings 11 Punjab is a similar example, right? Someone who hits the ball big. But you have someone like Rishabh Pant, you have someone like Shreyas Iyer, you have Prithvi Shaw, you have all these guys who are gun players. I think bringing in Rahane is actually bringing a lot of stability to that side. And they need the big guns to fire. Yeah? Any big game, you want your senior pros, जो हम कहते हैं, senior pros have to fire. So you need runs from Shikhar Dhawan at the top. You need Ajinkya Rahane to perform. You need Ravichandran Ashwin to do well. You need Shreyas Iyer. These 4, अगर you get even 4 performances from your players, you'll be good because bowling के साथ you have the performances. Anrich Nortje, you have Rabada, you have Akshar Patel doing a fantastic job. So bowling department, you can't blame them so much. Right, it's got to come in from the batting side. So it's a tough game. Yeah, the only thing is I think that momentum is definitely with Sunrisers. वो कैसे पलटेंगे तो that's the big question. And how can you topple a huge juggernaut that is Sunrisers at the moment?
Absolutely. और मैं जाऊंगा फैंटेसी पे भी. उससे पहले एक थोड़ा सा फन क्वेश्चन आपसे. जब ये टूर्नामेंट चालू हुआ था उससे पहले आंद्रिक नॉर्टकिया का नाम बोलने में कितने जनों को डिफिकल्टी आई थी? सच बता दो.
हमें भी actually जब हमारा notes, you'll see all our notes are here. So we normally get all our notes and we get audio voices of all the players' names. तो उनका नाम तो हमने 4, 5, 6 बार वापस बोलते हैं. क्योंकि it is a strange, and you ask different people and they each say it in a different way, right? It's good. But look, what a performance he's put in, yeah. I mean, unbelievable to see a guy come into his first IPL and play with the fearlessness that Nortje has delivered with. And अगर देखेंगे तो 2 bowlers side by side, Rabada plus Nortje, I don't think there's a more lethal fast bowling attack in the IPL apart from maybe Bolt and Bumrah. That's it. So that it has been that good from Delhi.
एब्सोल्युटली, बिल्कुल मैं इस बात से अग्री करूंगा। मैच नंबर 59 कह लो गाइस, या क्वालिफाइड 2 कह लो, जो आपको कहना है कह लो, पर बहुत बड़ा मैच है आज। हैदराबाद बनाम दिल्ली, जो जीता वो खेलेगा मुंबई से 10 तारीख को दुबई इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम में। जो हारा उसको करानी पड़ेगी घर की टिकट। सुहेल, इतना बड़ा गेम, आपकी फैंटेसी टीम आज के लिए क्या
या
रहने वाली?
तो मैं वापस एक बार मैं बताऊंगा. आई वांट हैव अ लुक एट इट सो दैट आई हैव इट ऑन माय शीट एज वेल, बट लेट मी जस्ट टेक अ क्विक
श्योरली।
लुक. One second. It's here. If I make sure I don't lose you. So I think that there are few X factors. I think you have to go with Rishabh Pant as a keeper because there's no place for obviously Saha's a doubt, and I don't think picking Shrivats at this stage is going to be wise. If you want to take a punt, I would say go with Shrivats Goswami, but I think that's going to be the
Yeah.
key. David Warner, you have to have him in your team. You have to have Kane Williamson in your team as well. I think Shreyas Iyer is an important pick. I'm going to go also with the all-rounders. Marcus Stoinis, Jason Holder. I think Jason Holder is a valuable pick. Rashid Khan is another one that you've got to have. And Aksar. I think Aksar will play a key role in that initial period as well. And then you've got Nokia in the mix. You've got Sandeep Sharma. I think he's going to be really important. Someone like maybe Natarajan is also a really valuable pick, right? You look at the way that he's come through, and Natarajan could be a really value buy for you also. He's bowling good overs at the death. He's been given a lot of responsibility, but I think that's going to be the key. For me, my X factor is actually Shreyas. I think is due a game, and I think
Right.
this innings today, if again I'll bring a very important stat here. If you look at the last 9 matches at the stadium here, in the evening
Yeah.
games, 8 out of 9 matches have been won by the team chasing. So much depends on the toss today. So I think people have to be very wary of the teams that are chasing. If you want to try and predict it, I would pick a bunch of batsmen from the team chasing. And I think that's your way to go. If you can think about who potentially could win the toss, it's going to be really important to try and get your batting side from the dew factor coming in. The ball gets harder to grip. So the teams that are bowling second will have a tougher time turning the ball. Spinners will have a tougher time gripping the ball as well. And I think that is a big factor at this stage of the tournament in Abu Dhabi. It's been a huge factor. 8 out of 9 matches have been won chasing at night in the recent past. So the dew factor has become big. And I think that will have an impact on your fantasy picks as well, because players that have the ability to pick up wickets will possibly come in that first phase also.
एब्सोल्युटली, काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है, क्योंकि हमने लास्ट मैच में भी देखा था जो हैदराबाद और बैंगलोर के बीच में हुआ। बैंगलोर इस स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ में गई थी कि 3 स्पिनर खिला लेते हैं, एडम जैम्पा को साइड में लेकर आए, मोइन अली थे, युजवेंद्र चहल थे, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर भी थे। पर वो शायद जो स्ट्रैटेजी थी सुहेल, वो शायद फर्स्ट इनिंग्स के हिसाब से थी कि रिस्ट्रिक्ट करने में कामयाब रहेंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट इनिंग्स में ग्रिप करना काफी डिफिकल्ट हो गया था। आई टोटली अग्री टू यू। सुहेल, बहुत अच्छी टीम लग रही है आपकी। इसमें आप कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन किसको बनाना चाहोगे?
मैं डेविड वार्नर को कैप्टन बनाऊंगा. I think in a big game you want your big guns to fire. I was tossing up between David Warner and Kane Williamson. To be honest, I think those are one of the two, because you want the stable guy to have your big points. Kane will deliver. I think on the other side, Shreyas is a good pick for vice captain, or I would go with an all-rounder. I would either go with Shreyas if you want the Delhi pick, or I would go with someone like an Aksar, or even someone like a Jason Holder if you want to flip it. If you're a Delhi supporter and you want a captain for you, I think Shreyas could be your captain. And I think then you could go either Rashid Khan, Jason Holder, or Kane Williamson as your vice captain. And I think that's where the flip comes. Depending on, I know there are going to be people who have a Hyderabad affinity, guys who have love for Delhi. So I'm giving you both sides of the coin there. But I think the outside picks also are going to be important. Guys like Natarajan will give you value. They're not expensive buys also from a fantasy perspective. Guys like a Jason Holder, he comes in at actually a pretty decent price for what he gives you. And he's going to give you runs. He's going to give you wickets. He'll probably give you catches in the deep as well. And obviously, I think Rashid Khan has to be in every person's fantasy side. He is going to pick up wickets. He's going to be miserly. He's a gun fielder. And so he'll give you those catches as well in the outfield. So those are the guys I think you have to have in your team. And then you work your team around those guys.
एब्सोल्युटली। और जिन जनों ने हमें अभी जुड़ा है, सुहेल की माई टीम 11 फैंटेसी टीम होने वाली है। ऋषभ पंत रहेंगे विकेट कीपर, उसके बाद डेविड वार्नर है कप्तान, तो आपको कप्तान बनाना है, पॉइंट्स इनटू 2 करके मिलने वाले हैं, और आपको इतने पॉइंट्स मिले तो सुहेल को आप मैसेज भी ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं कि थैंक यू सो मच, तो आपके इंस्टाग्राम। उसके बाद केन विलियमसन है साइड के अंदर, श्रेयस अय्यर को आप वाइस कैप्टन में बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि इनने कहा एक बड़ी इनिंग्स ड्यू है और आज एक इतने बड़े गेम के अंदर शायद निकल के आ पाए। उसके बाद मार्कस स्टॉइनस इनने चुने हैं, जेसन होल्डर, इनको भी आप बना सकते हैं वाइस कैप्टन, एक बड़े मैच के सितारे, 3 विकेट पिछले मैच में लिए, 24 रन मारे 20 गेंदों के अंदर, एक बड़े दिग्गज वाले खिलाड़ी हैं, वेस्ट इंडीज को भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, पता है इन कंडीशंस में कैसे खेला जाता है। उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स राशिद खान आपकी साइड में जरूर होने चाहिए, अक्षर पटेल जरूर, उनसे उम्मीदें रहेंगी, आनरेक नॉर्किया उनसे उम्मीदें काफी होंगी, और संदीप शर्मा और नटराजन काफी बढ़िया लग रही है मुझे तो, प्लेइंग 11 बढ़िया लगी है और मैं यही चुनने वाला हूं सुहेल। और मेरा मैसेज तो एक पक्का आने वाला है आपके वेदांत शर्मा 01 के नाम से, आपके पास पक्का एक मैसेज तो आएगा कि थैंक यू सो मच।
Done, 100%. I'm looking forward to it because I'm looking at the team also. It looks very balanced. I think Sandeep Sharma could be a key. Ashwin, if he bowls in the power play to David Warner, that's going to be a good battle. और अश्विन जरूर bowling करेंगे क्योंकि you have David Warner and also possibly Shrivats Goswami opening the batting. तो अगर दो left-handers है तो 100% Ravichandran Ashwin will bowl with the new ball as well. So how David Warner tackles that, it's going to be a big battle as well. Someone has just asked for my fantasy team screenshot. I will screenshot it and add it to my stories, or I'll send it across to my team 11 stories as well, and we'll put it up there so you guys have that.
सुहेल एक 2-3 सवाल और आपसे, जब जैसी जनों को पता चला कि आप लाइव आने वाले हो तो बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ गए, एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू आस्क समथिंग और द अदर फ्रॉम यू। हमने 2 पिक करें क्योंकि सवाल तो काफी सारे थे, सारे तो आपसे पूछ नहीं सकते, वी रिस्पेक्ट योर टाइम। पहला आ रहा है आशीष खंडेलवाल से, एंड ही इज आस्किंग हाउ डिफिकल्ट has been staying in the bio bubble and covering this beautiful sport called cricket.
It's not been easy. I think there's been challenges. Obviously, we lost one of our great team members, Dean Jones, very early on. He passed away in our hotel, a few rooms down from here, and that was a tough time. But I think in a way, it also brought everyone together. Look, at the same time, it's been fantastic because जब bio bubble करते हैं तो everyone is even more closely, intensely brought together. तो choice ही नहीं है बाहर जाने के लिए. The only way we can look at the outside world is like this. तो हम ऐसे ही देख सकते हैं कि बाहर तो कुछ है, तो उससे अलावा कुछ नहीं है. पर that's the only advantage is we have that lovely view to look out at every morning. So we feel lucky. But obviously we miss our families. We miss whether it's your mother and father, your wives, your kids, whoever it might be. We miss that element of our lives. And we are functioning without it. I think at the end of the day, we have to put a big show on for everyone. And the only way to do that was to be safe and secure and make sure that no one here has COVID. हम हर 4 दिन या 5 दिन में एक बार हम COVID test भी करते हैं. तो that's been another. Obviously, we've done about शायद 9 टेस्ट किया है अभी तक. So we've made sure that we're all staying tested and we're staying negative and making sure everyone is safe, just so that we can bring you all the incredible T20 fantasy and real league that is going on at the moment, right? I think that's the beauty of this, is that we wanted to bring a strong IPL to everyone, and to do that we had to do the bio bubble. It's been a challenge, but it's been fantastic also at the same time. So lots of learnings, lots of challenges, but they always say if there's something tough, it means it's worth it also. So this has been worth it.
Absolutely, and I, on behalf of all the 11 family, our condolences to Dean Jones family, and of course may his soul rest in peace. So if you could just pass on to Dean Jones family 100%. As well. So coming back to it, कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि एक बार वो बिग बॉस वाली फील सबने कर ली है, कैसे फील होता है एक बबल के अंदर रहना.
100%. Anyway. You hit the nail on the head. वैसे ही है, एकदम वैसे ही. अगर कैमरा डालेंगे तो you'll see the most crazy conversations, the most mad stuff. We've been playing golf in the hallways. We've been playing indoor cricket upstairs. Brett Lee bowling to Brian Lara, with a squishy ball or a tennis ball, and we've been playing golf down by the pool and things like that. So it's literally like a big boss of IPL and Star Sports here. So it's been quite mad. You hit the nail on the head.
Superb. The second one is coming from Kushal Gupta, and he's saying you have been around for a while. What has been your favorite stint?
Oh, tough question, yeah. Look, I've been lucky to have done Pro Kabaddi, Badminton, Wimbledon, IPLs, Cricket World Cups, and all of this. And it's been very special. Each one is so different, right? Each one is so different. I think this IPL has been perhaps the most special of anything. I think ISL was also very good to do in the first season, and Pro Kabaddi for me was very special because it was the first thing that I did as a commentator, and that opened me up to do so much more. So I think as a former cricketer, IPL will always be special, and Cricket World Cups will be special. So this last 2 months has been unbelievable. I mean, an experience like nothing else I've ever had before. So I think this is still up there at the top. But Pro Kabaddi, I think, is a close second for what it's given me as a professional also.
Absolutely. Last two questions to you, Suhail. The first one,
Sure.
a very difficult one. Hyderabad up against Delhi. Which team will be playing the finals against Mumbai?
You know, my heart is saying Delhi, but I have a feeling it's going to be Sunrisers. My logical head is telling me that Sunrisers, with the momentum, with the brand of cricket they're playing, I think obviously if Saha was there, I would have said 100% Sunrisers. But I just have a feeling that Delhi have a chance. At the end of the day, unfortunately, it's close to call because I think so much relies on the toss. I still think the team chasing has such a big advantage because of the dew factor. And so that's why I can't give you a straight up answer. But I think Sunrisers, if I had to put something on it, I would say Sunrisers have the edge.
एक फन क्वेश्चन, आखिरी सवाल, यार ये क्या खाते हैं मुंबई वाले? मतलब इतनी बार कैसे कोई फाइनल में जा सकता है? मतलब पांचवी बार, और ऐसा लग रहा है कि दे आर प्रॉब्ली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट कंटेंडर्स टू विन दिस ईयर्स इंडियन टी20 लीग एज वेल.
You know, ये देखो, अगर टीम को बिल्ड करना है ना, तो वैसे ही बिल्ड करना है. You have to look at the way they built a team. You've ticked all the boxes. You have the all-rounders. You have backup, and हर एक पोजीशन के लिए बैकअप्स भी है उतना ज्यादा. So to that quality, you have backups. So if Coulter-Nile goes, you have a Pattinson. If Pattinson goes, you have the Dhaval Kulkarni who will come in and fill in the shoes also. If you look at the top of the order, Chris Lynn तो खेला भी नहीं अभी तक. You know, you've got Rohit Sharma. When Rohit went, Ishan Kishan batted at the top, and you fill that void. Abhi, the biggest advantage they have is that the Indian talent is performing, and I think that is the biggest one. Surya Kumar Yadav has been, I think, the biggest X factor in that team by a long way. It's a crime that he's not in the Indian team in some sense, and I hope that he does make it. But I think Surya Kumar Yadav and the runs he's put on the board has been the biggest plus for a team like Bombay. So suddenly you have a number 3 batsman who is holding the fort, like Kane Williamson does for SRH, right? You've got someone like that. फिर उसके बाद you have guys like Kieron Pollard and Hardik Pandya who have the freedom to go for it. क्योंकि उनके पास तो ये pressure नहीं है अभी. They understand the top order has built a platform, तो हम ball 1 से जा सकते हैं. I think that's the big plus, right? They have a team that from the start has had this, and I think that's why they have a formidable side who also has a Rahul Chahar, again, young Indian bowler who's delivering. Bumrah, Chahar, you don't even need Hardik Pandya to bowl your overs because you have guys like Bumrah and Bolt who've come in. Very smart additions, very small additions to their team, but they added Trent Bolt. Huge addition. Malinga went, Bolt came. So suddenly everything fits perfectly. So the way they built their team is a team that can't fail. ठीक है, they might make the semi-finals and lose a match, T20 में. You can lose one-off match. But it's a team that over a season cannot fail. It is built to just last. And that's why I think this is a team, not just this season, but going forward also that has a lot of potential because they're still a young team. The average age is about 28, 29. So it's a dangerous team, man. It's a dangerous team.
नेक्स्ट तीन चार साल काफी डिफिकल्ट होने वाले हैं दूसरी फ्रेंचाइजीज के लिए. बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. रोहित शर्मा 7 एडिशन एज अ कैप्टन, 4 टाइटल जीत चुके हैं. 8 एडिशन दिए वाला है. अगर 5 जीत जाते हैं तो इट विल बी जस्ट वन टू वॉच. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. 8, 9 और 10 तीनों काफी इंपॉर्टेंट दिन. आज है हैदराबाद बनाम दिल्ली, एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण गेम. जो जीतेगा वो जाएगा 10 को, खेलेगा फाइनल मुंबई से. 9 तारीख को वुमेन्स टी20 लीग का फाइनल है, उसमें भी काफी मजा आने वाला है. सुपर नोवास खेलेगी ट्रेल ब्लेजर्स से, और उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स फाइनल मुंबई, शायद दिल्ली, शायद हैदराबाद. देखने में काफी इंटरेस्ट होगा. पर सुहेल, आई टोटली रिस्पेक्ट योर टाइम. इट हैज बीन फन टॉकिंग टू यू एंड आई होप यू आल्सो हैड अ गुड टाइम talking to me and everyone at My Team 11.
Had a great time, and a big hello to everyone that's saying hi. I know we haven't replied to a lot of the answers and questions that are coming through there, but to everyone that's hi, saying their hellos and sending their wishes and lots of questions. Me, Maguru, has sent a lot of questions asking who will win. I think I already answered that as well. Dolly Pandey, hi to you as well, and to everyone else that's there. But to the entire team and my team 11, guys, fantastic job. I know everyone here has been talking about their fantasy teams and putting in teams and things like that. So it's been great to see the way that you guys have built this fantastic app and the way that India has responded to India's favorite fantasy app as well. So thanks so much, and fantastic to be a part of the My Team 11 family. So always great to be with you guys.
Glad to have you in the team. Thank you so much, Suhail. Pleasure talking to you. और बड़ी जल्दी आपसे वापस मुलाकात होगी. बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करके.
100%.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. Thanks. See you later.
Bye bye. तो जितने भी जने जुड़े हैं, हम बस यही कहना चाहेंगे कि जैसे आपको टीम बताई है सुहेल ने, जल्दी से जाओ myteam11.com पे, एप्लीकेशन करो डाउनलोड, बनाओ अपनी टीम और जीतो यार, जीतो और मजे से जीतो. इवन वी लव यू गाइस. जितने भी जनों ने ज्वाइन किया, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस. ऐसे ही लाइव शोज हम आपके लिए लेके आते रहेंगे. जुड़े रहिए माई टीम 11 से और काफी मजा आने वाले टाइम में आना पड़ेगा. और हाँ, 8, 9 और 10 काफी बड़े दिन. एंजॉय करो एंड फेस्टिवल टाइम. सो गुड बाय.